Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add or change a payment method on Agora. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that I have already added my information of where and the dates and the other information. Now I have this results, and you can see there are this results which you given book without a credit card option is also available. For that you just need to book it, and then when you go to the place, you can simply go ahead and pay with the cash or credit card according to your need. And that's one way to simply change your booking method by simply checking out whether you can book without a credit card or not. Now this is another option. I'm gonna go ahead tap on this one to go ahead and do the booking for the purpose. I'm gonna go ahead tap on view this deal, and once I have seen it, I'm going to tap on book now. No payment today is given. That means I might not even need to make the payment. And you can see pay on to October, still flexible, etc, etc. And when you go to pay now, and you're gonna go ahead add in the information, you're gonna go to final step from over here. And here in this section, you have to go through the payment method. You can see there are credit cards available. I can go ahead add in the card number, expiry date, and CVC and CVV number, and I'm good to go. That's one method. Let's say I would like to pay with my digital payment, which is available. I'm going to choose that. I'm going to choose Afterpay, which is available, and they also have PayPal. I'm going to choose PayPal, add in the PayPal's information. I'm going to pay with my PayPal while simply tapping on it, signing in, and done. This is how you can shift between the payment methods, change or add them. And hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.